Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today inaugurated country's first plasma bank in the national capital. The number of COVID patients has crossed 89,000 figure, and plasma therapy has rescued several of the patients who were fighting this deadly disease. I have with me Dr. Sareen, who is the director of ILBS, where the country's first plasma bank has been inaugurated. Doctor, I would like to understand certain points here. There are certain restrictions as far as COVID plasma donation is concerned. So, what would you
There are many restrictions for plasma donation. The Honorable Chief Minister had announced. These are also as per guidelines by Government of India, ICMR, Government of India. So there are regulations which were released on 27th of June and 1st of July. However, despite that, like somebody who is underweight, who is above 60 or below 80, or has cancer, liver disease, kidney disease, they cannot donate. However, still there are many more who have recovered, who are fit, who should be able to donate. So I think one should take a chance, read those up, and you motivate everyone that they should donate.
Sir, about the efficiency of plasma therapy, what would you say? How effective has it been?
The plasma therapy has, limitations. I can't say it is effective in all. In a small proportion, it may be able to reduce the stay in hospital, it may be able to improve the organ function, but once somebody has an advanced disease, severe disease, probably it won't work. But we need more data. But since there are no other therapies, people are exploring this as an option. Our job is to say that, okay, you have something, try it out. If it works.
Doctor, there is a certain fear among the donors. Basically, a lot of people are not willing to come to the hospital. So what kind of fears are there still that you would like to clarify upon, that there is nothing to fear as far as?
Well, once you have recovered, there is no fear. And also ILBS is not a COVID hospital. So once you come here, it is very well sanitized. Everything is in a process. So there is low chance of somebody getting infection. And even then our team, led by Dr. Meenu, they will test everything. You get a comfortable assessment. You lie down on a place, donate, which takes 35 to 40 minutes. And go. I don't think there should be anything.
Right. But have you ever encountered people who are not willing to come to the hospitals with the fear of getting infected?
There are many people who don't want to come. They say, "Ghar se aake le jao." But it is not. It requires a specialized machine, as you see. It's not blood donation. It's a plasma which is taken out from blood. It needs a special machine.
I have with me one such a plasma donor, Mr. Amit. Sir, can you please show us the certificate? It clearly says that these people, the donors of plasma, have made a valuable contribution to the society. Their contribution will help the patients who are fighting this disease. Sir, कैसा रहा पूरा process? क्या कोई डर था आपके मन में? How was the entire process?
See, I was not afraid of corona because I'm a mind trainer and NLP trainer. So I was not having any fear of corona. And my thing was, my message to the community is that कि डरना नहीं है and don't allow them to hit on your brain.
Okay.
And you can win any battle.
So, was it easy, the plasma donation, the entire process?
Very easy. It's a very easy process.
So would you like to, appeal to other people who have recovered from COVID-19, who have completed the 14-day period to come out and help others?
Yeah, definitely. I'll recommend, I'll request all of you who are recovered from corona to donate your plasma, because after some days this antibody is going to die. So ultimately, if you donate your antibodies, and it can save many lives.
Right.
So my appeal to everyone who's COVID recovered patient, who were donate your plasma.
All right. So that was Mr. Amit, and he was telling us about the entire plasma donation and why is it important and how big a role people like Mr. Amit are playing as far as defeating this deadly disease is concerned. This is a machine of plasma donation. Here a donor has to sit. The plasma will be extracted from their blood, and later the remaining blood will be again given to the transfused into the body of a person, a donor who is willing to donate his or her plasma. So this will be the entire process, and definitely this will be a big boost as far as defeating this virus is concerned. With video journalist AJ Joseph, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.